Hi, I'm Matthew from Geering and Colyer in Maidstone. Today I'm in the village of Baltham and Chelsea on Castle Way, where I have this fantastic 4-bedroom detached property that's come to the market today with the added benefit of 8 years NHBC warranty. Let's go and have a look.
Outside we've got a converted garage. Which is great for an office space. We've got the low maintenance garden, which is Astro, so it's great for entertaining. You've got an outdoor space here as well. And then there is also a mini bar just to the side of us as well here. This is a great property. If you are interested, just contact us at Geering and Colyer and we can book you in for a viewing.